Hello everyone. I hope you are having a great day. It's Ravi Vanakuru and welcome to our channel. Today we will see how to create a new page in a WordPress new text editor called Gutenberg. In our previous video, we have installed WordPress in our channel, right? So today we are going to create a new pages. But before going to create these new pages, if you are a new visitor of our channel, please do subscribe. Alright, let's go to WordPress dashboard and click on add new page. You can navigate that add new button from here or from the pages section also. When you click on this add new button, you will see that it is a new text editor which is not familiar with older versions. We have earlier tiny MCE editor, but now from the WordPress 5.0 version we have a new text editor, new page editor called Gutenberg. In this page editor, when you are creating a new page, you will have two fields. One is for title and one is for content. Let's say we wanted to create a about us page. About us. I have given that as a title, and in the content section, let's say I have some content. Not this much. Let's say I have some content. Okay, that's it. Now we have created with the title, with some content. We have created one page. But the question is, where are the new features got implemented, and why do we require this Gutenberg editor? Let's see the power of Gutenberg now. See, now if you wanted to create if you wanted to add image or columns or any other different structures of your structures to your web page, you need to go to this button called add block. Okay, once you click on that add block, you will see that there are different sections, like most used. That means in this section you can see that the most used blocks of your website. That means I have used already these 9 blocks earlier for other pages. Okay, you may see different blocks in your most user section. The thing is, the new blocks start from here. First one is a common blocks, where you can see that images, paragraph, libraries, headings and all. Okay, let's say I wanted to create a image. After this content, I wanted to add one image. Okay, let's go to add block, common blocks, click on image block. There you can see that you will have a full page image. From there you can select your images, select, right? See, after your content you will have a image. This is here you can see that this is a paragraph block and this is a image block. If you want to shift the positions, you can drag and drop like this, or you can click these buttons. See, now we have a image on the top of content. After that we have a paragraph block. For every block there is a different properties. Let's say if you selected this image block, you will see that in the right side of your page the options will be modified. If you select this paragraph, there you will see the paragraph attributes. When you click on the image, you will see the image properties, like what is the alternative text, what is the image sizes. In earlier versions also you will have these options, right? The thumbnail, medium, large, full size. You can change them, and you can write a custom width and height options, or you can use percentages. Let's say for example I wanted to use 50% image. Okay, now I want this image to be aligned as a center. To align this image center, you just select this image block, and there you, at the top of your block you will see that some additional options. See, I wanted to show this image at the center, right? You just click on align center button. Now you can see that our image is centered. Okay, or you can reset that. In the same manner, you can link the that image into other web pages, or different custom URLs, or same image URLs. That is up to you. You can give a links. And in the advanced section you have a CSS class for that. That means you can write your custom CSS codes to that block. Okay, in the same manner you will have a different properties for paragraph block also. You can see that font sizes and drop cap, color settings, and add one. See, let's say my paragraph background color is blue. See, automatically the text color will turn into white, because in the blue color that black font won't visible that much clearly. So the WordPress intelligence is good enough to calculate your block colors and all. If you wanted to select let's say for example color settings, I have a light gray color or a white color. See, now it has a black color font. If you are using same blue color, still you wanted to change the font colors, you can do by clicking this gradient wheel icons. Let's say I wanted to use yellow text. See, you can change that. In the same manner, we have a lot of blocks. The Gutenberg editor is based on blocks only. Let's say I wanted to create two columns. After this paragraph, I wanted to create a two-column block. Go to layout elements. You can click on columns. See, now you have a two columns block. Let's say you wanted to create a three-column block. For that, you can just select that block. Okay, first we'll fill these two blocks with some. Okay, I wanted to add image in the first block, and in the second block I wanted to add a paragraph as same text. Okay, now in the first left side block I wanted to add image. See how much how it is easy it is. You can create columns also. Now let's say you wanted to create a 4 columns or 5 columns. You can select this block, entire 2-column block, and change your columns. See, now we'll have a 4 columns block. If you want, you can remove those blocks also. Clear? So in this manner you can add as many as blocks you want. There is a widgets, a latest post and all, and embeds. Let's say you wanted to embed any YouTube video or Facebook, Twitter timelines. You can add any of social media timelines. Let's say I wanted to add a YouTube. See, you can enter your YouTube URL. You just click on embed button. That will get your video into your web pages. If you wanted to remove block, you can remove from this dotted. You just click on this block, and you can remove that block. Okay, now by default we have some page properties. Like when you click outside of this block, you will see that the visibility option, publish options, pending for it. These are all these options available from the WordPress starting onwards, right? You can set a featured image, you can allow comments, parent page, and all. In the same manner, you have a new option for block. if you select the image block, this image properties will come into this block section. If you select the other block, that block related properties will show in this block section. Okay. After updating this all content, you can check the preview. See, you have a same content, right? Once you have good with your preview, then you can go to publish, right? You can click on publish, right? Now let me show you some other options also. From it is a undo and redo options, and it is a info button where you can see that all kind of how many words you have used, how many paragraphs, how many blocks you have used, the information about your page. And from here, block navigation, you can see that we have used 3 blocks: image, paragraph and columns. You just click on that column there. From there you can go to that section. Okay. Apart from that, in the document you can see that permalinks and all. Let's say, for example, I wanted to change. I wanted to I know the HTML, I know the CSS and some other I have some development skills. I wanted to edit these blocks by using HTML. Yes, you can do that by clicking this dotted icons, edit as HTML. See, you have a paragraph with the style option, with the CSS and all. You can write your HTML here, slash anchor tag. You can add, click here. For anchor tag I have href without any link. Once you're done with your HTML editing, you can go to edit visually. Okay, see, but this is a bit difficult and not preferable. Okay, so I can do undos. If you wanted to edit the HTML for every whole page, you can go to page menu. Here you have a code editor. See, this is the first block and this is second block. By using this comment, they are separate. They are creating these blocks. You can update your HTML here. Okay, but remember that it is not a good practice. Okay, so and you can go to visual editor, and here we have a top toolbar. That means, see, when I turn off this button, you can see that we have some options here, right? For every tool or every block, we have options in the same at the top of the same block. When you click on this top toolbar button, if you select any block, but the block related options will come in this top bar. Okay, if you wanted to manage all tools from one area, you can use this, or if you wanted to manage all these options from that block section only, then you can stop that. And next one, spotlight mode. This is very useful for content writing. Let's say I wanted to edit content in this section only. So this option will allow you to highlight that section only, particular that section. Rest of the page will be some will get some opacitized. Okay, and next one is full screen mode. You can edit your pages by full screen. That means you won't see all other toolbars, right? And next one, keyboard shortcuts and copy all content. You can copy this content from this page to another pages. The main thing is manage all reusable blocks. This is the section we have the very powerful tool in the Gutenberg. So when you click on this manage reusable blocks, let's okay, I have already updated it. Let's leave this page. See, from here you can create a blocks. For example, you wanted to add one section, for example, testimonial section. You can add that. Let's go to code where you can add, my what is this, code title. You can add some contents. Okay, so not only this one section, you can add as many as blocks you want. Okay, so once you have completed this, you completed your custom block, you can publish that. Once you publish this option, no, you, oh sorry, I forgot to add title for this, my code. Now this is our newly created reusable block. That means it will visible in your blog section. Let's say I'm going to edit this about us page again. Now in the same add block button, you can see that reusable blocks. There you can see that my code. See, the same my code section has appearing, has shown in your web page. You, in the same manner, you can use this block in every page. That means if you have a reuse, if you wanted to show same content in different pages, same content with the multiple pages, then you can use these reusable blocks. Once you click on that, you just update that page and go to preview. You can see that we have added our code to this page. In the same manner, you can add the same code in different pages. Or if you wanted to add, okay, that's, so you can add, you can create a reusable blocks, and you can use that in a different pages. That is a super great option we have in our Gutenberg option, Gutenberg blocks. And in the options, you can see that what kind of toolbars you need to show in the right side panel. If you don't want any of these features, you can just turn off them, right? So this is what the Gutenberg editor in a WordPress. I hope you have learned some information from this video. If you like this information, please do like this video and share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.